Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everybody. Good evening. How was your day? Bagaimana hari kalian? And are you ready to learn? Apakah kalian siap belajar? If you ready, don't forget to follow, like, and share this video so that you do not miss the material or also the lesson which I will give you in the next session. Kalau kalian udah siap belajar, jangan lupa di follow, like, dan share video ini agar kalian tidak ketinggalan materi pembelajaran yang akan saya berikan di sesi berikutnya. The now lesson today is about 5W1H or 5W and 1H. What is that? 5W1H, there are what, where, why, who, when, and how. Yaitu what, apa, where, di mana, why, mengapa, who, siapa, when, kapan, dan how, bagaimana. Why this lesson is so important? Mengapa pembelajaran ini sangat penting? This lesson is for identify the story or also the problem or the chronology of the problem. Materi ini untuk mengidentifikasi sebuah cerita, mengidentifikasi sebuah masalah, atau kronologi sebuah masalah. The example is what? What is the title of the story? Apa judul cerita itu? Where? Where it happened? Di mana kejadian itu terjadi? Why? Why it can happen? Or why the children is run so fast? Mengapa anak itu lari begitu cepat? Or who? Who is the protagonist of this film? Siapa karakter yang protagonis di film ini? Or who is the kind character in this film? Siapakah karakter yang baik di film ini? Or who is the antagonist of this film? Siapakah tokoh yang jahat di film ini? Or when it has happened? Kapan hal itu terjadi? An example is it has happened when the party is started. Itu terjadi saat pesta dimulai. And how to solve this problem? Bagaimana penyelesaiannya? Or how the character doing that? Bagaimana karakter itu melakukannya? So until now, do you get the point? I will give you an example. Do you know Cinderella film? Yes, that's the example of the story. Example is, what's the title of the story? The title of the story is Cinderella. Or who is the kind character? Siapakah karakter yang baik? The kind character is, of course, Cinderella. Jadi Cinderella adalah karakter yang baik. Who is the antagonist of that film? Or who is the antagonist of that story? Siapakah tokoh yang jahat? The antagonist of the story is two stepsister and also the stepmother of Cinderella. Jadi tokoh yang jahat yaitu dua saudara tiri dan ibu tiri Cinderella. And who found her shoe? Siapa yang menemukan sepatunya? Of course, the people who find her shoes is the prince. Seseorang yang menemukan sepatunya adalah seorang pangeran. Or also, why it has happened? Mengapa itu bisa terjadi? The reason is have many reasons. Because the stepmother and also because the stepsister and also stepmother hate Cinderella. Or about what the reason of that story? It depends of the chronology or also the story. Jadi itu tergantung pada cerita dan kronologinya. And how the prince can find the princess? Bagaimana seorang pangeran itu bisa menemukan seorang putri, the princess who have this shoe? Bagaimana seorang pangeran itu bisa menemukan putri yang memiliki sepatu itu? Or the prince around all the kingdom, and then the prince can find the princess who dancing last night with him. Jadi seorang pangeran itu mencarinya dengan cara mengelilingi seluruh kerajaan dan akhirnya menemukan. Or and what is the ending of the story? Itu juga boleh. Bagaimana endingnya? What not only for what's the title, what's the ending, or what's the title or what's the ending? Bagaimana endingnya? The ending of this story is the Cinderella and also the prince happily forever. Cinderella dan pangeran hidup bahagia selamanya. So that's the explanation in this lesson about 5W1H. Do you understand until now? If you understand, I will close this lesson today. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.